Hello everybody, it's me Heather, and today I have an unboxing from Yours. So Yours is a Switzerland based skincare company. So what's really cool about this brand is they do the selfie analysis. So on their website you can send them a selfie and they will analyze your skin, and they give you a personalized skincare routine, which I am all about. So I have not looked inside yet, but I do have an idea of what was sent to me because I did do the selfie analysis, but we'll also see, I think there's an extra goodie in here. So this does have a little sticker here that already lost its stickiness. So I did take a sneak peek, but I didn't open it up quite yet. So we will discover all of this together, okay? So first off, it's not yours without you. Lovely packaging. I do love this. So this is a vegan and cruelty-free brand, which I'm also all about. So they're very sustainable. It's clean beauty, and oh, this is very cool. So right off, we have this. It says love from Yours, and it says my name, Heather N. King. I love personalized touches like that. And this is not simply because they sent this to me for review. This is because this is my actual personalized skincare routine that was recommended to me from Yours. So let's go ahead and open this up. Made with love in Switzerland. So, oh, I'm loving that. So it has right here my day routine, and it has the products, and it talks about what is some of the main ingredients. So we've got my daytime routine. It's cleanser, toner, serum, moisturizer, SPF. That is my kind of daytime routine. Then we got the night routine. It says cleanser, toner, serum, night cream, and something called sleep. So I don't think they mean for me to literally go to sleep. I think they have a product called sleep. So we'll see what they actually sent me, but this is the recommended routine with some of the special ingredients. And they have some really interesting ingredients, but I won't bore you by listing those off, so we'll get right into this. And I do appreciate that they do have the full ingredient list on the back, so you can check that out as well. So it says here, once you've got your skincare, use me for storing random stuff. I'm sturdy like that. So in other words, don't throw the box away. Go ahead and save it for organization, or for collecting things, or for storing your skincare when you're not currently using it, which is a common practice for me since I review a lot of skincare and sometimes I have to set stuff to the side. So this says good skin awaits. Look at the packaging, guys. Let's go ahead and pop this open. Oh, we got a sticker sheet. Everything is better with stickers. I love that. Again, I love little touches like that. And let's actually finally open this up. If I can. Oh, this is sturdy. All right, let's take a look together to see what we've got. Okay, wow. Oh my, there's a lot of goodies in here, guys. So I'll give you guys first look, and then I'll start digging in. Okay, so first I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out. This says Yours, the name of the brand, Yours. Patch It Up. This is the invisible zit patch. Hydrocolloid patches with niacinamide, fast acting, ideal for all skin types, non-drying. There are 54 patches in here. That's perfect. So this extracts impurities invisible on skin, reduces redness, and speeds up healing. I've recently been introduced to the world of zit patches, pimple patches, acne patches, and I'm all about them now. They're actually a part of my skincare routine at night now. After I do my entire skincare routine and everything's done, then I take out the little pimple patches and pop them on wherever I need them. So I'm looking forward to trying this one. Wow, this is awesome. Clean, vegan, cruelty-free, and also gorgeous packaging. Let's go ahead and open it up and take a look at what the patches look like, shall we? So it says you get 3 sheets with 18 each. So here's the 3 sheets. So let's pull out one. So yours, patch it up, and let's take a look at the actual patches. So it's typical of most patches. They have this kind of plastic cover, and then you pull it out, and the patches do come in, it looks like 2 different sizes. That's very cool. Okay, this is great. Well, I will get a lot of use out of this. I don't really have a lot of problem with pimples so much anymore. The older I get, I'm happy to say, but I do break out on occasion because of, you know, hormones once a month, or I have a sweet tooth. Whenever I eat excessive sugar, a lot of cookies, cakes, candy, any kind of, you know, or sugary drinks, a lot of times I will get whiteheads and pimples. So this will come in handy. Okay, let's take a look at what's actually in here now. Now this, whoops, looks like it got a bit jumbled. Oh, darn it. Okay. Hey, this came a long way to Texas, so there we go. Got a bit jumbled, so it might be out of order, but we'll find out when we open it up. So first off, how lovely is this? So I believe this is like the daytime, nighttime stuff, I think, I'm guessing. So let's go ahead and open that up. So like I said, it got a bit jumbled, but I love that. It says for Heather, and it looks like that may even be handwritten. I appreciate that. Made in Switzerland. And yeah, this did get quite jumbled. So let me pull out my recommended routine really quick, and we will get organized here. So of course, my daytime routine is the cleanser, toner, serum, moisturizer, SPF. So let's see what we've got. And I'm even looking in the box now. Okay, so let's start with this then. So of course we're gonna start with, this is the cleanser. This is called Cloud Factory Gentle Foaming Cleanser. Beautiful packaging. There's a ton of information on here that I really want to read, but like I said, I won't bore you guys, so we'll just pop it open and take a look. So this is my cleanser that I'm supposed to use day and night. This is the Cloud Factory Foaming Cleanser. It's cruelty-free, environmentally friendly. Let's see, it's toxin-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, SLS-free. This is what we like to hear. So it's a nice foaming cleanser. I love foaming cleansers like these. So I'm excited to try that, and I love the name. I love that it's called Cloud Factory. That's actually a really cute, cool name for a cleanser. So then of course next will be the toner. So again, this is the toner, right? Okay. Once again, beautiful packaging. I love the aesthetic of this brand. And this is called the Bounce Back Toner. Love it. So, nourishing toner. So it rebalances pores, lightens dark spots, evens out your skin tone. And the ingredients are insane. They're really interesting. They've got a plankton extract. They got a blend of essential minerals. They have niacinamide. Ooh. And it's free of all the yucky stuff. And oh, this looks really lovely. How pretty is that? And ooh, I like that. That's really nice packaging. So we've got a pump dispenser. So I'm sure you can just spread one. Yeah, okay, that's what I was gonna say. I know a lot of us have a tendency to use a cotton pad, but I've really gotten in the habit with a lot of toners now to either spray them on, if it's obviously a spray toner, or even if it's like this kind of toner, instead of using a cotton pad nowadays, I just put it right on my hand, you know, rub my hands together for a second and just pat it in. It just seems like my skin absorbs so much more of the product. And then of course you have less waste because you're not using cotton pads every single time. So cotton pads have their place, especially for like makeup removing. But for toners, like if you haven't tried using a toner without cotton pads, I highly recommend it. You'll definitely see me doing demos with this brand probably on my Instagram. So, but yeah, they recommend just after cleansing, spread 1 pump of toner between the palms of your hands and gently pat it into your skin. So I am looking forward to trying that. I'm looking forward to trying this entire brand. So we got our cleanser, we got our toner. Next is our serum. So serum is right here. It is the Drop of Light serum. Beautiful packaging. I love the aesthetic. And I just want to take a look really quick. So this is called Drop of Light. Let's see. It's a vitamin C serum. It's packed with a, powerful antioxidant and skin brightening plant extracts that lighten dark spots and pigmentation, leaving you radiant and even toned. I love it. So niacinamide, vitamin C, and they got Sephora White, an ingredient I'm not familiar with and I'll have to read up on. So I'm going to use this serum, I believe, twice a day, I think. Or is there a nighttime serum? We will find out. Let's see. So we got our cleanser toner serum. Then of course we got our moisturizer. So I like that it's also color coded. And I just realized, okay. Okay, I think that might be okay. I'll have to double check because it says Drop of Light, but on the top here we've got a PM sticker for nighttime. So the name's a little deceptive to me, but I'm also looking here and it is on the night routine side. The serum Drop of Light is in fact your nighttime serum. I did not realize that. Okay, my bad. So I jumped ahead. Let's get caught up. Let's try that again. Okay, hey, can you tell this is a first impression? I'm not, okay, I'm correcting myself, starting all over. Okay, cleanser toner. So we're doing the daytime routine. Cleanser toner, daytime serum, and it even has an AM on the top of the on the top of the pump. This is your daytime serum. This is Drop of Softness. So let's try that again. So this is a soothing serum that calms skin sensitivity and strengthens the natural skin barrier. It's a holy grail for sensitive skin. Now those are some awesome promises. And I'm not familiar with these ingredients. I'm not gonna list them off because you're gonna be like, what is she talking about? But, so this is our daytime serum. There we go. So we got cleanser toner, daytime serum, and now of course our moisturizer. Okay, making sure I'm grabbing the right things. I thought these were color coded, but not quite, because I got the impression that pink meant daytime, but that's not the case here. It's okay, no big deal. So now we got our moisturizer. This is called Due Date. And this is a soft, creamy moisturizer that melts into your skin to instantly moisturize and nourish skin for balanced hydration all day long. So I love the sound of that. I'm just curious. I just want to look at the ingredients right quick. Due Date. It is a water-based moisturizer. Okay, that's what I wanted to know. So, and then of course we got SPF, which, my favorite skincare product in the whole world. I recently asked my followers on Instagram and my stories, what is your favorite skincare product? My favorite skincare product is sunscreen. And I love that sunscreen is becoming more and more and more innovative. So this is Sunny Side Up. This is a sunscreen mist. So I love that it's one of those sunscreens you can spray on your face, right? So what strength do we have? This is SPF 30, and it says there's no white cast, it's non-greasy, it's lightweight and water-based, and it sits well with makeup. So I love knowing that we now can apply our sunscreen, reapply our sunscreen when we are wearing makeup. So this is very cute. It's called Sunny Side Up, and when you open it up, you got the sun and you got your eggs sunny side up. Very cute. Okay, it's yellow. Let's take a look. Okay, I am excited to try this. Cannot wait. And we will work on this later. Okay, so it says spray liberally and spread evenly by hand before sun exposure. Do not apply in windy conditions. I'm only checking to make sure to see if I can spray this directly to my face. Yes, you can. You can spray this directly on your face if you're wearing makeup, or you can spray it into your hands and pat it on your face. Of course, I want to just spray it on, right? We want to do what's convenient. So we got our daytime routine. We've got our cleanser. We've got our toner. We've got our daytime serum drop of softness. We've got our daytime moisturizer due date. And then of course we follow up with our sunscreen. So that's my personalized skincare routine for the day. So let's move on to the nighttime routine. So we're coming to the end of this, and I don't know why I still have this box on my lap. Here we go. So nighttime routine, cleanser, toner, serum, night cream, and it says sleep. So I guess it does actually mean that, yes, go to sleep. So let's see what we've got. So we already know we got the cleanser. We've got the toner. Now we've got our nighttime serum, which is Drop of Light. The one that caused my confusion in the beginning, but they were smart to put the little nighttime sticker on top so that I know it's my nighttime serum. So let's try that again. So this is the vitamin C serum. It's packed with powerful antioxidant and skin brightening plant extracts that lighten dark spots and pigmentation, leaving you with radiant, even toned skin. So I love that. And then of course we have our night cream, and this is called Milky Way. I just love the aesthetic of this brand. So Milky Way, a refreshing and nourishing night cream that is enriched with moisture boosting, purifying properties designed to eliminate toxins from the skin, stimulate the skin's natural repair process, and protect it from urban pollution. Well, I love the sound of that. And again, the ingredients they have are really interesting. This is what I love about independent skincare brands that are, you know, not local to me. You know, to me, this is obviously an international brand. It's not based in the US. So their active ingredients are quite different from what I usually see. This has ruby extract, poppy cells, and something they call DuraQuench. So like I said, I'll have to research these ingredients and read up on them, and I'll, you know, but you'll see me posting more about this brand on my Instagram. That's usually where I do my demos. So my YouTube is for me to be long-winded and do these unboxings, because I love unboxing videos. I love doing them. I love watching them. And I know you guys like watching them too. So that's what I do. The unboxings are here. But me like doing the routines and reviewing the skincare, you'll see that on my Instagram. So that is everything. I need to fix my beautiful box so I can organize my daytime and nighttime skincare. So let's try this. So this is supposed to go here. This is our daytime serum. This is Drop of Softness, right? Yes. And then we got our daytime moisturizer. That's due date. Then we've got our nighttime serum Drop of Light. Like I said, that name caught me off guard. I kind of get it. And then we got Milky Way, our night cream. So unfortunately my box got a little disheveled, but that's okay, because we can just take out the filler and we can put in probably the sunscreen. But I'm gonna have these out to use anyways. And also let's not forget our pimple patches, right? How cool is all of this? So thank you so much, yours. I am so excited to try out your brand. Thank you for allowing me to share about this with my subscribers. And you guys, if you have any questions or comments, let me know. I love it when you guys interact with me. Just leave me some comments and I'll respond to you. And that is it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.